Tell me again, what is it?
I earned a candy ring.
Awesome. What you got? Bubblegum eggs?
Yeah.
Look at me, Lukey.
Balls.
Look at me, Nora.
It's sticky too.
Nora.
Candy. It's candy. I got this too.
Emily.
This one's stuck in me.
Wonder what's
Mama
in your egg.
found it.
What was in that egg right there?
This is gum. Bubble gum eggs. And this egg, this was in it.
Oh, okay.
So pink. We had a lot of eggs.
I've never seen green peeps before.
Awesome.
Maybe we can blow them up in the microwave.
It'll explode. And I got
Money!
the money, Ha!
Awesome.
I'm gonna check on the blue one. $3.
What?
And I got some candy. More than I
Nora.
expected.
Nora, what you got? Show me what you got, Nora.
Mama, can someone hold this?
Just put it back in your egg and it'll stay good.
Oh, it's a funny thingy.
Oh, cool. Oh, pick it up quick.
I dropped it.
It's okay.
And then just blame it. I got some more ones.
What?
Some more ones.
Awesome.
Look, my money. Awesome. My money fell down.
Uh-oh.
That's Mama. Look, it's my focus to be. There's a
cool.
spider on the wall.
That's a mosquito hawk.
What is it?
I don't know why it's in here, but it's a mosquito hawk. Ew.
Money?
It doesn't bite.
I
It
got
just eats
money.
mosquitoes.
How much did he get?
How much is it, Luke?
Hey, I got this. Mommy, I got big thingy.
A big candy.
It's a necklace.
Awesome. So you can eat on it all day. What
And a this.
you got, Luke? We'll keep looking.
How much
Awesome.
did he get? That money was in this one. I'm looking at this orange one. And I got this one. The egg just fell out of
A
it.
bracelet that you can eat.
Mom, the egg just fell right out of the egg. Another one? They have a basketball? Oh my goodness. I got one with a basketball. I'm rich. And I got these, Mom.
Oh, it rings. You know what? What did Emily said those rings had something in them?
Lipstick. Lipstick.
Let me see.
More money?
Oh
This
my goodness.
Mama, this money was in the yellow egg.
Awesome.
This money was in the yellow egg. Oh my goodness. Mom getting so much money. Because we got it. This one's big.
Cool.
It's a big one. Why do you open this one, Mom? So excited. My ring's already purple, Mama.
You must be excited.
Mommy, how do you open this one? Purple does mean
You
excited.
put
You know that?
your finger right there and you pop it up.
More money.
And then you put it on your lip.
Getting so much money. Is this $2 bill?
That's a $1 bill.
So he has $4.
How many dollars do you have, Luke?
I got 2 rings. Now I need. And there's green stuff in here. I have $5. He's surprised that was green. There's another egg in here.
Oh, another egg. Oh!
That's a big Jimmy egg. I got a big Jimmy egg too. Milk one. And what's one?
Crispy milk chocolate. You got the one with crispies in it.
What are the other ones?
Let's see. Nora's is crispy and yours is
And I got
Caramel.
another one, Daddy. Mine's banana.
yours is caramel.
Mine, Dad, mine. Can we eat some of it?
Sure. Pick something and eat it.